Hi guys, my name is Samuel, Super Forex Technical Analyst. Today we shall be looking at USD JPY on the 1 hour time frame. And we shall be talking about price action. And today we won't be using any indicators. Basically, price action is what you see on the chart with no indicators. It's basically trading based on the action of price. We use price action trading in order to find high probability setup based on things like trend, support, resistance, supply demand, candlesticks, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and many more. And today we shall be using support, resistance, and trend line. We can see the market has been making a higher high from here all the way to here and went into consolidation from here all the way to here. Now we want to know where the market will be heading next after here. Let's first draw the trend lines. Have our first trend line here. Let's do the support and resistance levels. Nice. We can see the market is in an area of confluence. This is a very respected area because both the trend line, this trend line, and the resistance level collide with the price at this area. Now we are looking at two possible scenarios here. Scenario number one: if the price breaks out the trend line and the resistance level, possibility the price will rise, the price will go up if it breaks both these two. Scenario number two: if rejections occur, the price might the price must push further down to the support or this trend line. The price will go down to here or here. I think this works for you. Thank you so much for watching.